Be careful, yeah?
Hey, in the fucking site, there's a dog walking around.
Dog, look.
Nah, everybody's done this.
Fuck.
The part we're getting in from, the part where that dog is, it's fenced off. The dog can't go in there.
Alright.
No, let's go, boys. We need to just send it straight over this wall.
Just send it quick. I'll show
You
follow
might need to
me.
lead. You
Follow
might need
me
to
and
lead.
Riptide, bro.
Yeah, whoever's been over there needs to go fast.
So hot and stealthy, bruv.
Stairs on the left.
Halfway. There's no way police didn't get called, by the way. All them people outside.
10 more.
Sweet.
10 more, lads.
Fuck. Wait here for everyone. Come on then, boys.
Damn, they've made progress, bro. They're almost on the next one.
Look at the shore.
Hey, what are you man saying about putting the ladder across?
Yeah, never mind, bro.
Wait, is it that crane?
This crane right here. No chance.
Words. There ain't much room up here, careful.
What the fuck?
Do nothing with my phone, bro.
Alright, let's go send the crane now.
You down?
Yeah.
Yeah, they would.
What? These fences are fucked, look. Bro, is that holding someone's life? I don't know. Hey, boy. You scared the fuck out of me.
No, that's not calm. I thought you were there.
Is it not like that?
I don't think it's... That's not that bad, boys.
Careful.
Who wants to stop?
Wait, let me scout it as well.
That's calm.
Stop.
I'm gonna.
Anyone want to stop? There's no one.
That's calm, boys.
Yo, wait. How the fuck you get?
Wait, boys, get behind the net so you're leaning into the net.
Caesar, getting there or getting back?
Getting back's harder.
See, that's calm. Michael, innit? That's calm.
That's calm.
Wait, there's police at the bottom, I think.
Is there?
Yeah, I think.
We might as well send the crane then, no?
Look.
That's what that was already there. That's the second.
Alright. Well, should we wait for these? Are you coming, boys?
Oh, I heard.
It's so fucked.
I say you lot just go on the roof.
Yeah, if you're not feeling 100%, don't do it. Innit, Michael? That was way easier than we thought.
Yeah.
Look at the shard, bro.
You think that's for us?
I don't know, man. That ain't for us. That's an ambulance, I think. Yeah, it's an ambulance.
Let's go to the back. Back's not like.
Yeah, let's just go back. I'm too tired, bro.
I might do too.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll give it a minute, see if police come.
You reckon that's done?
Nah, I don't know.
I don't think they've done. I've not had a look.
I think they would have been here already.
I think the security are pretty confident about the dogs.
Yeah. Wait, fucking hell, boy.
We fit 3 people up there.
Yeah, we can. Shit, bro. Yeah, this is just a sick view, bro.
And get it?
Oh shit, the security guard, the security guard. No, no. Oh no, we're calm. Fuck, man. We were very loud.
Yeah. They're just walking around with the security guard. He's definitely holding them because feds are coming.
Fuck.
Do we get down?
Should we just get down and run?
If he's on the top floor, should we just get down and look?
Should we just get down? I think it's worth.
Let's get back down. Let's start heading down. I say we get down and try to get out. Can't lie, I think we're running. We need to run.
Yeah. We need to just get past him and run. Well, I beg he's not waiting there for us.
They're just sitting on top of the
What are they doing?
They're just sitting.
What's happened? He melts. I was wondering why they weren't running. Fucking idiots. So let's just. Wait.
Who's wearing the high vis? Bro. You're a prick.
You made us think you were security.
We're going up the
Do
gym.
you want to do jib, Michael?
What, that thing there?
Yeah.
We
down for
definitely
it.
could. We definitely could.
Got shot the first time because I was alone.
Yeah, no, I don't blame you, bro. Come on, bro.
Let's fucking go, bro.
Oh, bro. I gotta start heading hat down soon, though.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, time for me to get down, boys. Michael. Be careful, yeah?
I'll go look for one.
Alright. Yeah, I'm coming.
As long as you keep 3 points of contact.
Fuck, don't hold on to this thing. I don't know what it is, but it's loose.
I know, right? I tried holding on to it the first time.
Yeah, same.
Wait, do you reckon security is over here?
Nah.
Nah, they don't. They definitely don't.
Nah, the car ain't moved, then there's no feds.
Wait, Michael, I think they did the ladder bridge. I think they made a ladder bridge.
Yeah, I know they did. God.
Wait, what is that?
Oh, it's scaffolding wood.
That's fair.
Oh my God.
That's smart, boy.
This security's actually quite on it, to be fair.
Already up to security from when me and, you did it. Like,
Not a fucking dog, bro.
they didn't have a dog last time.
Oh, this is sick. Good job, Charlie.
You hold the wood for me.
Yeah, I'll hold it this time.
Yeah.
Careful, I'm in there.
Yeah, that's calm.
Yeah, you
Wait,
say
when's our
so.
train? Can you double check? I think it's at 43, so we
Yeah,
should be calm.
we should
We can
be.
speed blitz it.
Going down so easy.
I was just focused on making sure everyone's safe getting back. I didn't want to go across till I know I could get back. We're thinking about it. I think it would have been so much harder to get back if I didn't build a bridge.
Yeah, 100%. So we got 13 minutes.
When was that 43?
It's at 37.
37?
We literally got 10 minutes. I think we came in on 2. Apparently it's floor 1.
Go floor 1, go floor 1. Close.
8 minutes from train.
I gotta go. Boys, see you lot later. Me and Charlie gotta go.